Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing this free product we got from Hasbro. It's Play-Doh Wheels. I wonder what's inside this big box. Open now and dig into fun with Play-Doh Wheels. Let's open up this construction box. Wow, cool! We got our own little construction hat. Whoa! Look at all these fun sets! Wow! Let's check out everything that we got! We got a really cool construction hat! We have 2 different packages of building compound. This says brick and stone. This one says pavement and cement. We got lots of fun squishy rocks. So cool! We also have 3 different playsets. First, we have the Excavator and the Loader. It comes with some regular Play-Doh and some building compound. Whoa, check it out! It looks like it's going to be so much fun to play with. We also have a crane and a forklift. There's an extruder and lots of press molds. Finally, we have the gravel yard. This has a steamroller, and it even has a dump truck. Let's open up these fun sets and check them out. Wow, this is really nice. It's like a little softer Play-Doh, and it has all sorts of little specks in it. There's a mold at the top so you can make some cement barriers. Whoa, so cool! Let's check out the asphalt. Wow, so nice! I love how it sparkles. We also have this cool shovel that we can use to get some of the Play-Doh out. Check out the road! Here's the stone. Wow, I love the texture. Ooh, look at the brick color. So fun! It looks just like bricks. Let's check out the Excavator and Loader. Cool! I love all these new colors of modeling compound. We also have silver and orange. Here's our 2 mighty machines. Here we have the excavator. It has a boulder press mold. It goes up and down. Here's a shovel. Here's our loader. It's got an extruder. You can move the scoop up and down to change the extruder. Put your compound in here. Cool! So fun! I love that we can use these fun, mighty machines to create all sorts of construction things. Let's open up our next box. This set comes with a forklift. The fork really raises. You can also make the engine. Here's the crane. It can hold the crate. The crate is a press mold. I love that the cabin of the crane is also a cutter. Take that off and fill it up and you have an extruder. There are 4 different shapes on the extruder. This set also comes with 2 different colors of Play-Doh and some modeling compound. Let's open up the gravel yard. Wow, check out the steamroller. You can make road patterns with it. Here's a dump truck. It's an extruder. We also have this rock quarry. It comes with some pipe molds, and you can crush some boulders. I'm so excited that I get to play with these fun, mighty machines on the job site. Let's go! Look, the dump truck is bringing asphalt for the road. There's the steamroller. He's working hard on the road. Here comes the excavator. The excavator is working hard on the job site. Here comes the forklift. Here comes the bulldozer. Wow! All of our mighty machines love working at the job site. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.